we call an obligate parasite. That means it can only live on living tissue.
Call him the plant doctor. A professor of plant pathology, Tony Kenaith's patients are cucumbers, watermelons, pumpkins, tomatoes, all economically important crops grown right here in South Carolina. His job at the Coastal Research and Education Center is to better understand how to keep these plants healthy and free from diseases, including downy mildew.
The downy mildew organism is actually feeding on the leaf, and as it takes nutrients out of the leaf turns yellow, and then as the disease progresses, those yellow spots turn brown,
limiting the amount of nutrients that the plant gets from the sun, resulting in smaller and sometimes misshapen produce.
Instead of a nice straight 4 to 5 inch cucumber, you'll get a curved cucumber that can't be used for pickling or for canning.
The disease itself spreads through airborne spores, traveling by wind upwards to 1,000 miles in a matter of days. Growers can report and track outbreaks online, as once infected, there's not much a farmer can do to stop it. Infection may be prevented, though, by applying short-lived fungicides to the crops, but constant use negatively impacts both the environment and the farm's bottom line. To nail down when to apply fungicides, the center has this field, which acts as a canary in a coal mine, an early warning system for low-country growers.
So when downy mildew spores arrive, they quickly infect these plants, and then we can warn growers and let them know that downy mildew is in the area and it's time for them to start spraying.
This is just one part of Tony Kenaith's job. His research also includes testing the effectiveness of various fungicides, which will be necessary in the near future for our food production. To illustrate this, let's head into their lab and into cold storage. This fridge contains a historical record of fungi dating back over 25 years, allowing for plant pathologists to travel back in time and see how the fungi population has changed, unfortunately for the worse, as the overwhelming majority is now resistant to fungicides, which worked 2 decades ago, warranting a smarter and more science-based approach in managing these diseases that afflict our vegetables. For this week's Moment of Science, I'm Storm Team 2 meteorologist David Dixon.